motion here. See, we are outside again today. Friday is weekend in 4th of July weekend. So we will be taking the train. We are going on our way to Manhattan. We want to go to Highland Park. You will see it. We're going to showcase you too. Highland Park is another nice place you can walk around. And in fact, it's a place that people come to experience too, and come to visit. It's another tourist attraction area, starting from what exactly? Meat packing industry. Yeah, starting from meat packing industry all the way to meat farm on the west side of Manhattan. So we will carry you along when we get over there. When we get to Manhattan too. Okay, yeah, we're going. Yeah, it's warm, summer weather. Anyway, so we're going to be taking the train. Oh. We are on the Q train from Hotel heading to 14th Street, Union Square, Manhattan. Tired, it's cool inside today, much colder than outside. Yeah, 14th Street, Union Square. Okay, this is in Manhattan. Okay. So, you take the bus. So much selling around here. Everybody's selling something. Nice. So this is Union Square. We'll be going west towards west side meat packing industry. Full emotion here, you're on a move. Alright. Yeah, on the bus down bus, so meat packing industry. Yeah, this is meat packing industry. This is 14th Street and 9th Avenue. This is Apple Store here. food store, make parking industry. 9th Avenue and 14th Street. So we're gonna be going that way. Okay, we are now in the parking industry, going towards the island park. See the park in front of us. That's the elevated walkway. See in front of us, it goes all the way. I don't know, maybe to 42nd Street or something now. Or 30 something. Yes. So maybe we should go and take it from the end here.
Okay, can do that.
From the, maybe that's the beginning, or they moved that one.
No, I don't know.
Yeah, it's sunny around here. Yeah, you can cross. West side, look at the west side, the river. Down that way. Oh, wow. Okay, you see you on the island park. A Samsung building right there. Samsung. This is Tesla. Wow, look at that. What's that? That's a car or boat? See, that is Tesla. All kinds of robots. Look at that car. So much to see. Okay. And Samsung is right here. Samsung building. Samsung. This is Washington Street. Parking industry. Washington Street. The end so far on 34th. But we still went down.